Hi, Wilson Rams. I'm Miss Scott, your school librarian. Welcome back to a new school year. While you're having to start your learning from home, I want you to know that you can still check out books from your Wilson Middle School library. There will be more information on that process later on, but for right now, we're going to start with the first step in the process, putting the book on hold. Okay, as you can see, this is my web desk, and you have a web desk as well. We may not have all the same tiles, but we do have one in common, and it is this one, the PISD Quahog catalog tile. You're going ahead and click on that. Now, the system should log you in since you've logged into WebDesk, and you can see that it's doing that here because it's logging me in with my credentials. And you definitely want to verify that that is you. You'll notice that it says Wilson Middle because that's where I work. That's where you go. And I'm going to type in the word Guts, which is already here, which is a book that I've been thinking I really wanted to read. It's a graphic novel by Raina Telgemeier, and everybody seems to be reading it. So let's go put it on hold. Once you click go, it's going to bring up every book that has Guts in the title. Now I want you to know that you do need to try to spell the words as closely as possible to the correct way to spell it, because if not, it's going to tell you we don't have it. What you'll notice is it's showing all the items that we have with Guts in the title, okay? Right now, we don't want that one. We want this one. That's definitely the one we want, which I happen to have right here. And you'll see some other information by the author. And down here, holdings means all the books that we have in PISD. Now remember, you're only going to check out books from Wilson. You cannot check out books from other campuses. So we don't see it here. Over here, it's not giving me the option to put it on hold. So we'll click here. There you go. Now I know it says it's not due until January, but I promise we'll get it turned in time. You're going to click on Place Hold, and it will put it on hold. We'll take it to the screen, confirm, and then it will show you on my account that this is what I have on hold. So you can check here to see the status of it and that sort of thing. We will be having to take turns, and books will be quarantined for 3 days after they are returned, so it might take a bit before we can get the book to you. But we have plenty of books, so please don't hesitate to put them on hold, and we'll check out, and you can read something else while you're waiting for it. More information will be coming on picking up your holds. I hope you have a great day and that you check out lots of books, because we have so many wonderful things for you to read here at Wilson Middle School. Bye-bye.